In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I achieved this beautiful crochet hair. Keep watching to see how I did it by myself. I love you guys. Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. How you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing good. Thank you so much everyone for stopping by. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome to share reactions. In today's video, I'm going to be making a crochet hair for myself. I've already braided my I've already cornrowed my hair. As you can see, I did the cornrow off camera. I'm going to be using that hair, and the color is color 1. First of all, I'm going to be braiding the parts of the back of the hair that I wasn't able to cornrow. I'm just going to braid a single braid over there. Then I'm going to crochet the rest of the hair with my crochet needle. Keep watching guys. Enjoy this video. Relax. Please don't click heart, okay? If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe. Put on your bell so that you'll be notified anytime I post a video. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for the love, for the support, and thank you so much for sharing my video. Please don't forget to give me a like, okay? Your like is highly appreciated, okay? I love you guys. Keep watching. I am done crocheting the hair. The next step is for me to braid the hair. Okay, I will take a section of the hair and braid the hair. I'm going to do that to all the hair. Then after braiding it, I'll dip it in a very hot water. Okay, but I'm going to be doing that off camera. Okay, I'm not going to be showing you guys the part where I dip the hair inside a very hot water. Keep watching, guys. Please don't click heart. Please keep watching. Okay guys, I'm done braiding all the hair. As you can see, next is to go and dip it inside very hot water, but I'm gonna be doing that off camera. Okay, this is the look after I dip it inside the hot water. After dipping it inside the hot water, then I use my towel to dry it up. Now I'm just going to use my comb to unravel the braids. Okay, and I love the coils. At the end, the coils was so nice. The hair came out fluffy. I love it. I will go ahead and use my mousse, okay, my shine and jam mousse, to rub the hair to give it a shine. Then I will style it. That's it, guys. That's it. I'm just going to use the mousse to rub it. I'm just going to rub it all over the hair. It will give it less frizzy and it will make it to shine. This is the final look of the hair. The hair is so beautiful, it's so nice, it's so fluffy. I love my hair. I hope you guys like the hair too. And if you do, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to share. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much, guys. One love, keep us together. Stay safe, stay blessed, do the right thing that make you happy. Okay, I love you guys. I'm feeling myself. I was so happy at the end result. Love you guys, and please don't forget to thumbs up. Bye.